Hey pet lovers, ever wished you could take your furry friend on your next big adventure? Well, great news! There's never been a better time to travel with your pets. From luxury pet hotels to dog-friendly cruises and even private jet charters for pups, the world is opening up for our four-legged travel buddies. Let's dive into the latest trends, tips, and must-know travel hacks for you and your pet. Pet-friendly travel is skyrocketing. According to the 2024 Annual Vacation Confidence Index, over 40% of U.S. travelers aged 34 to 54 are planning to bring their pets on vacation, and even 24% of those over 55 are hopping on the trend. The UK is seeing the same shift. Dog-friendly accommodation bookings have soared 125% since 2023, and experts predict the pet travel industry will be worth a jaw-dropping £40 billion by 2030. So what's behind this surge? It all started during the pandemic. With more people working from home, pet ownership exploded. 38% of Brits have gotten a pet since 2020. But here's the catch. Finding a pet sitter is expensive, with some charging over £50 per night. So, more people are bringing their pets along for the ride instead. Hotels are embracing this trend in a big way. Forget just pet-friendly, some hotels are now pet-obsessed. Take Kimpton Hotels, for example. They welcome almost any animal, as long as it fits in the lift. Not only that, but they offer canine menus, branded bowls, and pet-friendly amenities. Want your dog to sleep in style? Devonshire Hotels provide 4-poster beds just for pups. And if you're visiting Somerset, Homewood Hotel offers an on-site dog creche, so you can hit the spa while your furry friend gets pampered. Even self-catering stays are stepping up. Dog owners now prioritize properties with enclosed gardens. So much so that 70% of bookings on Pause and Stay in 2024 included this feature. Hotels aren't the only ones making pet travel easier. Big attractions are joining in too. London's famous Tower Bridge, dogs allowed. Cotswold Wildlife Park, bring your pup. And get this, 2025 marks the launch of the world's first dog-friendly cruise. Cruise Tales is setting sail from Florida with space for 2,650 passengers and 250 lucky dogs. Bon voyage, fur babies. Now what about flying? In the UK, pets, except assistance dogs, have to travel in the hold. In the US and Europe, small pets can fly under the seat in a carrier, but bigger dogs still go in cargo. And there's paperwork and health checks to handle. Enter Bark Air. This new luxury airline is changing the game. No more cargo or underseat travel. Instead, dogs fly in style with special accommodations on private jets. The catch? It'll cost you around $8,000 per person and pup. Ouch! Before you pack your pet's bags, here are some pro tips from dog behaviorist Adam Famey. Plan ahead. Check if your accommodation allows pets on beds. Many don't. Pack familiar items like their bed, toys, and bowl to help them feel at home. Research pet-friendly places before you go. Finding last-minute spots can be tough. So, what do you think? Would you take your pet on your next trip? Let us know in the comments. And if you love learning about the latest travel trends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing updates. Happy travels to you and your furry co-pilot, LG News.